Look, I'm Filipino, but I feel like I've kind of let my culture down because I've never actually cooked Filipino food before, let alone cook at all. I'm gonna try cook pork ginataang with squash and string beans.
Garlic and onion, throw some salt, get that pork, chop it in. Make that beef broth, don't drink it, trust me. Throw that in too. Grab your coconuts. Is it me or does anyone else have trouble with can openers? Now let that bathe in.
Put way too much coconut milk, so it was kind of too soggy. There was too much sauce, so I kind of had to get help from my mum. And her tip was to just turn up the heat so it kind of dries out and the sauce gets thicker as it should be, and kind of salvaged it.
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house.
Almost forgot the main ingredients. Get your squash, butternut squash. Get this bad boy, undress him, and chop him up and throw him in the ocean. In goes the ugly delicious shrimp paste. Then you take an ice cream break because I never knew how long this took. Then you got your jolly green beans, chop them up, keep boiling it until it's soft as a soft boy. And there you have it, first time.
Yeah, I kind of give that like a 5 out of 10, but I'll get